Yeah. So guys, these are some of the running positions, but I don't care much about the running positions. Yeah. So these are some of the running position, guys. NRML. अरे यूट्यूब से ले लो ना डायरेक्ट. So yeah, these are some of our running positions. Don't care much about it. Okay, today is a Wednesday, but we have Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry together. So that is one issue as well. Why? Because something would be playing out well. Let's say today if we do some analysis. Nifty Bank I am keeping on the left hand side. Nifty on the right hand side. Again, do you see something? If we do a normal regular analysis, there's something with one second. Okay. Now, Bank Nifty, if you see on my left hand side, is relatively weak compared to Nifty. Okay. Now the reason is because banks have not been performing well today, but Nifty has been performing relatively better. Now it is becoming a challenge. If I want to short this market, it is better to short Bank Nifty. If I want to long this market, it is better to long what? Nifty. So again, based on the basic market structure and everything, first of all we'll have to make a view, and based on the view we'll have to see if the view is bullish or view is bearish. If it is bullish, we can go for Nifty trades. If it is bearish, we can plan something in Bank Nifty. But if it is bullish, I will definitely not go in Bank Nifty, that is sure. Okay, so Nifty, let us switch to higher time frames, that is like 1 hour. If you see I'm drawing the market structure. So market structure is what, almost sideways. The last swing is still sustaining. The last swing on the lower side again is still sustaining. So it is sideways for Nifty. Again, if you see something on Nifty currently, I would say Nifty short term, very short term for intraday, Nifty is bullish from these levels. These are the places we see spikes, and market has been taking good support from here, as well as if you see this resistance has been taken out now, or is being taken out at this point of time. So good levels to sell would be 700 or 650 option I will plan to sell. The view is market will be holding above this level. That is the whole view. Coming to Bank Nifty, let us do some higher analysis, higher time frame analysis. Again, Bank Nifty, it's almost the similar story. It is taking good support from here. Market has been coming a long way, and it is holding good. Okay, so probably a bullish trade is what I would look for at this point of time, and definitely view will be in Nifty. You know the reasons why, right? So 700 or 650 is our support based on the strike price. So somewhat, let's see how the premiums are. There's something juicy, we can sell it. So let's go to option chain. Nifty 10th April. 650 is 3 rupees, 700 is again very close to the money at 8 rupees. So 700 is close to the money. It's risky also. The thing is, today premiums dried up very fast. In the morning itself, lot of the premiums dried up. So at this point of time, it's difficult actually to make a view now. I mean, view I can make, but I cannot sell something for 2 rupees also. It will be 0, but where will I keep stop loss? 4 will be hit very easily. So again, that does not make sense. So we'll have to take a risky bet today. Today I'm forced to. It is best thing is based on the option chain. I should, try avoiding today. This time, at this point of time today, it does not make sense for me to trade. But we can go for a risky bet. Again, that will be something 750 in the money. View is bullish. So in the money, we'll have to sell and see. Okay, so okay, 700 is also okay, far away. 700 will try to sell. 700 is fine. But if it was not 700, I would have definitely been forced to sell 750, which is in the money. Okay, so something for 8 rupees. Let us open the charts for 22,700 put. Again, this also is not a perfect entry place. Perfect entry would be somewhere around 11. We'll wait for the market to retrace. Let's say it has made a upside pattern, bullish pattern. It can definitely come to 725 levels, I would feel. Once it is at 720, 25, so it's too less. Probably at 725. Okay, these are the algo orders. So this is all today's high, right? Intraday high. This is intraday high, roughly, and it has been broken out in the second half. So 726 is the level I am willing to sell this put. So we cannot do anything much. Just wait, and we are supposed to watch at this point of time. Now, if it is going up directly from here, that is a helpless situation again. But doesn't mean I will break my discipline of having a good entry. I can miss this trade, it is fine, but entry should be at 728 levels only. Then only I'll be willing to enter the trade. Otherwise, I'm not interested. It can directly shoot up from here. This put from 7 can go directly to 2 rupees. I may lose the opportunity. But more than that, I would be more interested or more concerned about my proper entry levels. Again, that is your choice. If you want to, you can. That's totally up to you. Seems it can break also from the to the upper zones, but okay, let it go. Then we'll have no trades today. But to get a perfect entry, I need the market to come at these levels, which is 725. I'll mark a horizontal line here. I'll delete all this. Yeah, I feel this is the intraday high. Okay, intraday high is this zones, the opening price, almost opening highs. So I feel market can come and test this level of 726. So by that time, we'll keep our sell order ready at least. Okay. So let it come till 726. Guys, it's about to come. Okay, have a look. How will I enter? The price is 7. See, the price is still not going up because decay is there on the put side. But again, let it come to our 726. Okay, sold. Cool. Sold at market, so I don't know the price actually. We'll have to go back and see. So it was an MIS order. Okay. Yeah, MIS market order. I put MIS because all other orders are NRML, so MIS I can actually have a look. So yeah, 7 rupees 75 paisa is what I have sold this. 100 quantity. Yeah. A 7 was 7.75. Okay, this is the leg, which you can see it is currently at 8 rupees. That is fine. We got a good entry. Next thing, I would take if this option goes up again, I would take an entry at roughly 12, and for both the legs I will keep a stop loss at 15 or 16. So every time, if you would have seen me, I take 2 entries all the time, because 1 entry I can go wrong. Second entry, definitely if I am wrong again, that is not my day, that is confirmed, the view itself is wrong. So yes, we'll wait for this leg. If it comes down, if it comes up at 12 to 13, we can take another fresh entry for 100 quantities. We'll keep that order ready also. In case if it shoots up very fast, somewhere around this level. Yeah, 12 is a perfect place for me to enter. 12.2 option H. Okay, 12.2 is my next entry. For both the combined stop losses, I will keep at 15.5 or something. Abhi I'm not keeping a stop loss because let it come at 12. Once it comes at 12, we'll again see. So again, do you see one thing? One candle, even if it is making a green candle, just because of green candle, that option is decaying. See, 25 paisa is decayed. It won't be a lot, you will feel, but I still feel it's a lot, because again it is a 4 to 5% decay which we are seeing right now. Now it is inflating. That is fine. So again, just by one green candle also the option starts decaying on expiry day. So yeah, 12.2 is the next entry. Let us see. One green candle and this option will be at 6 rupees. Meanwhile, the other algo is also running fine. The main account which I show you, I'll show you once this live trading is over. That also is running on a 1.15% for the day. It's kind of also doing great. So today is actually a very easy day. Honestly speaking, it's an easy day to trade. Nifty is going one side. Bank Nifty is sideways, but no spiky movement is there. At least spikes are not there. So it's an easy day, I would tell you. See, one green candle. Do you see option decay? Have a look on the left hand side. Okay, that is also important. Options movement. One green candle, and this option will again be at 7 rupees, which we are not getting the green candle. Wait for it. What is the Avneet is asking, what is the view behind keeping 15 as the stop loss? It is simple, Avneet. Have a look. Can I make it small? Okay, let this also be there. this order window here. 15 is simple, Avneet. It is above the swing high, something above the swing high with some buffer. Swing high is roughly 14.6. I'll keep 15 to 15.5 to keep a buffer also. Some buffer I need. That is the reason I've placed SL in such a way. Market is slowly coming on the lower side, and that is fine. One green candle is what we need. Okay, have a look on the premium. One green candle, the time is roughly 2:20 p.m. One green candle and premium will vanish. One decently green candle, let's say at least 10 points, 8 points on Nifty. We'll see good decay in the premiums. So meanwhile, then see, just one green candle, can you have a look? One small green candle, can we do? Okay, from 8, roughly 25 paisa gone, right? From 8 rupees, almost 25 paisa is gone. So that is what is option selling. It's easy, not very easy, it's easy, but obviously if you make a huge mistake, you'll have to pay the price. It has something called unlimited risk. This premium sold at 7 rupees can go at 700 also. Let's say it's a circuit right now, no stop loss, nothing. It's a director circuit. See the premium, saw that? That is what I was saying, na? 10 points ka one candle also it makes, the premium will vanish from the screen. See the decay. The market is not even, please can you see, even the market is not moving a lot, right? Did not move a lot, but did you see the crazy decay it gave right now? I mean, that is the whole point of option selling. It is very easy. The thing is, you need to keep some discipline, and entries should be good. See, in option selling, that is one more issue or whatever you wish to say it or call it. Entries should be very important. Entry points should be very important because you have a small margin. If I sell something for 10 rupees and keep a stop loss at let's say 15 rupees, again that is what 50% stop loss, right? 50% of this 10. If I am forced to keep a stop loss at 16 or 17, that is 70%. So if you think that way, selling an OTM, which I do generally, having a view and then selling an OTM, that is what I do generally. That is a risky thing also. Risky as in risky thing. Premiums can shoot up on the other side, But one more issue or whatever you would like to say is entry should be good, because instead of 10, if I enter at 8, if I have a FOMO and I enter at 8, let's say when we were not getting the entry, the price was at 7 or something. So even 1 point I missed, that is like a 10% loss for me. 10, 8%, whatever it is. So even 1 points, 2 points. See, Bank Nifty premiums are very good. When it's in the morning, it's 112, 115, 130 rupees. So that, to 1 or 2 points, if you miss, though, it's sensible also. It's not, it doesn't matter a lot. But here in Nifty, when the premium itself is 8 rupees, if you miss 1 or 2 rupees up and down, again, it's a huge margin you're playing for. So that and all has to be kept in mind. Key entry should be perfect. Because let's say I'm keeping a stop loss at 15. For now, let's say I have a stop loss, planned stop loss is 15. Now, by chance, if I'm not getting an entry at 10 or 9, if I'm getting an entry at, let's say, 4, again it's a huge margin, I'm getting 4 only, but stop loss I'm forced to place at 15. So again, risk reward messes up. So option selling mein entry is very important, guys. Entry point. See, it is easy because theta is doing the work for you, even if you are correct or not. See, this is the line which I have marked on the Nifty chart on the right hand side. Do you see price is there? Price is just touching the place we have sold the option at, right? Price didn't go anywhere. But do you see the premium? Just eroded, right? Everything eroded. That big red candle we saw on the premium, right? So that is the thing, guys. I mean, option selling, 90% of job, theta does it for you, but your entry should be good. Once your entry is good, you have seen me live trade lot of times, right? One perfect entry I wait for. One entry done. Just let it be. It won't be much, it won't bother you also. One perfect entry, you're done for the day, let me tell you. Even this option you can sell for, with hedging, 30,000 only. 29, 30,000. 30,000, if I'm even making 10 points, that is 500 rupees. 500 on 30,000 is roughly 1.5%. And hedge cost will be there to at least 1%. So with this small trade also, or small idea also, making 1% a day is easy. Or losing also, obviously. That also has to be kept in mind. So 1% and all is easy. The thing is, one idea also, if it works, so fine. Just keep it simple and don't make it very complicated also, that making 1% is tough, trying out multiple things. 1% and all is easy. The thing is, the skill is the hardest thing. Once you get to know, then it's kind of time pass. You'll feel it's boring mostly. So we'll have a look on our positions also. So some algo positions are also giving profits. Good decay is there. We'll focus on our MIS one. This is the MIS order which we have taken. So sold at 7.7. It is currently at 4.8. Roughly 41%. See, 10-15 paisa is what 5% here. So even so the margin is very less to go wrong. If let's say I sold it at 500 rupees, then I can easily give 10 extra points also. I don't mind giving it 5 extra points. But something which I have sold for 7 rupees, I cannot give. So for now, again, see, there is a chance it will shoot up. This whole put can shoot up also. Okay, 1 minute. There's a guy sitting inside. Can you tell him to square off the position? Yeah, just tell him to square off. Yeah, and ask him to cancel the pending order also. He may forget. So yes, coming back, we can see the theta in action. So I'm putting a stop loss. It is a very good thing to put a stop loss, obviously. I mean, it's a thing you should always have in practice, stop loss putting. I'm doing it because of some reason. See, again, if it comes at 12, I'm willing to short it. But for safety reasons, if it directly jumps very fast, I'll keep a stop loss at 15.35 is fine. 15 I will not keep, it's a round number. Okay, it may get hit. 15.35 I'll put my stop loss. 15.35. And this is the place you give the buffer, so I'll put 19 is fine. Okay, stop loss placed. So this is at 3 rupees now. I'll tell you why did I ask the guy to square off the position. We shorted Bank Nifty OTM calls. Okay, Bank Nifty was weaker compared to Nifty, like we saw also. So Bank Nifty was retracing a lot. So we thought we can short it, but now Nifty is in a position to drag Bank Nifty also on the upper side. See, it is getting stronger. It has broken the day high here and taking lots of supports also from the zones and trying. It is again at an intraday high only, right? So it is strong. If it becomes very strong, it will obviously pull Bank Nifty also up and will get losses on the call side. Again, calls can go to zero also. The ones which we shorted, 49,000 is the one we shorted. What is Bank Nifty now? 930. Okay, we shorted 49,000 at some 20 rupees, I think. Let us check what is the price. At 21 or 22 we shorted 49,000 call. But it is, see, back at 20. So again, yes, things can, shoot up from here. It was at 10 rupees also. Before starting the live, I saw it was at 10 also, I think. Yes, see, it made a low of 10 also, 9 also. The thing is now Nifty is having strength. Bank Nifty can come along with it. So I don't want that issue to be there. I mean, it may be a winning trade also, but I have a double stop loss only. Double as in shorted at 20, stop loss at 40. But again, I can lose this 20 points, but does not seem abhi, so things have become quite strong. See, it is also going up 2021. So it doesn't look like the market is gonna stay at this point. Probably a breakout is what I'm expecting. Again, do you see the selling option? It is at 4 rupees. There is a possibility there may be a breakout here, okay? Again, every time, whenever there is a breakout and a retracement, what happens? During the breakout, if you want to, we discussed gamma, right? Do you want to see it in live market? I'll show you. I'll put this 800 ka call, 22,800. We'll short a call also, okay? Okay, it is at 2. That is too cheap. Okay, we'll keep this order also ready. Wait for the breakout. Let the breakout happen. From 2 it will shoot up to 4 or something. At 4 we will short it. Because of the gamma only it is. See, when you come close to the expiry, the gamma keeps on increasing towards the evening. So 2 will straight away. Do you see this shooting up? Yeah. Once it comes to let's say 3, we'll short it. Because during the breakout only the gamma is into the effect. Once the breakout has happened, gamma stops. Retracement. So I'm waiting for this breakout to happen, okay? I'm expecting this breakout should be successful. It is, I feel it's possible. Again, okay, let's see. It is almost touching the intraday highs. Our puts are making intraday lows. Okay, this option, do you see it is spiking now from here 1.25 to 2.2? This is gamma. Because if you calculate delta also, it will not be that, this answer you will not get. So this is a gamma spike also. So I want to capitalize on the gamma. Why not? Let it break out, okay? If it reverses from here again, this trade won't be, I won't be taking this trade. Gamma just happens during breakouts, fast movements, okay? So if it breaks on the upper side, there can be some fast movement. Let us see. During the breakout, we will sell the call. Do you see again, just for small red candle, puts are inflating a lot. Again, the thing is, this is what gamma is also, but it will cool down in some time. See, now it is taking stop losses of people who are willing to long at the, people would have bought here, right? This candle. It's just taking out the stop loss. It will make a big wick and probably it will end as a hammer or something like a hammer. So this is what stop loss hunting is also there. Spikes. Again, if it ends as a hammer, that is nice, because that means stop losses have been taken out for people. So that means breakout is going to be successful. Now see, price is almost still there on Nifty, but the option on the left hand side is kind of half decayed, right? Again back. See, exactly as a hammer. Hammer. That means stop loss have been hunted at the breakout. Now it is the good time to again short puts. Keep this as a stop loss and short the puts here. Okay, that is one thing. Now next thing, let it give a breakout, we will short a call just to capture gamma. See, good hammer, decent hammer. This is what I was also expecting. If it closes as a hammer and then goes up, it will be a very fast movement. Do you see that? Yeah, do you see stop loss hunting and then going for a breakout as told? Now we'll see the call option.
Our morning level got dropped right now.
Yeah. So do you see inflating? Okay, we'll keep an eye. I'll short it. I'll play with the fire. Hold on. See, it can backfire also. Obviously, you're playing something very against the trend. Okay, but definitely to show you people, I'll kind of try to capture. Okay, can we sell? Hold on. Wait, let it come. Okay, this was the price we decided, 3.5. Missed. That is one more reason I write everything on the chart. I told you yesterday, na, I write everything. I try to write everything. I mark everything, I write everything. If you see my other charts, na, there will be a lot of written things on the chart. This was the entry, 3.5, expecting. Missed. But again, do you see price is not going anywhere, it's there only. What happened at the call? Went straight away from 1.7 to 3 to 2.5. That is what gamma is. So actual value based on the delta you cannot calculate. Even gamma also you cannot calculate. So it all will come when you keep on doing it again and again, you'll get an idea at what price this option can shoot up or shoot down. So this is a safe position. Again, this is one more reason I asked him to square off the call sell, because I was expecting this breakout. Again, it's a second half breakout, which is a strong one. So if one more green candle comes, na, so this option will again shoot up till 3.5. Yeah. Saw the gamma in action? Missed it. I'm still regretting on it. Why didn't I write it? This would have given an entry also. And gamma is high on OTMs. So if you want to do these kind of things, you need to go to the OTMs. There only gamma is higher. You can scalp also. Come with 10,000 quantities, scalp 1.10,000 booked, exit. These all things people do. Okay, puts are already dead. Puts are dead, the ones we sold. Calls, I'm still regretting 3.5. What is the high? High is 3.55. It's planning for 3.5. Well, again market, okay, we'll keep it anyways. In case if it comes, I don't want to miss it. Probably it's done. The gamma blast is done almost. 3.5 marked. Again 3.5 why? Spike zone is there. Second thing, it's a 3 rupees. It's a round figure also, 0.5, 3.5 spike plus round figure. So again, if it is coming to 12, I'll take an entry again on the puts, but probably it's like a lot difficult, I believe, for it to come to 12 again. So call to is gone. It will never come back again probably. It's done and dusted. Yeah, so this put is what we are having at 4 rupees. So first trade risk reward is 1:1, okay, and generally that is the way I take the trades. First trade, obvious, every time it will be a 1:1 mostly, and second trade second trade is the same stop loss. Yeah, but this one, if it triggers, this is a 1:3.8. So again, average if you see is 1:2 at least. So let's see. is at 4 rupees. Time is 2:40. So Bank Nifty 49,000 call. Did you see it short up a lot? 35. Now Bank Nifty is getting the strength. Fifteen more minutes to 3 p.m. Then this option will probably decay much more. Bank Nifty calls spiked a lot. Nifty is peaceful. Nifty is smooth today, relatively. We can see the puts making a fresh low. Decay is getting stronger and stronger. I'm again having a look at the call charts in case. Probably it is very difficult for the call to spike up again. Decay is so hard on the calls. That also it is very far. 800 call. Again, the line which we have drawn is a good entry. You can take again an entry over there. Okay, other algos are kind of doing good, 1.56% running roughly. So day was smooth. See, I have 3 algos running. One is this algo which is currently on this account. Another is the Nifty algo. So this is all you can see in the Nifty positions. Nifty is doing very good. Bank Nifty algo, that is why diversification is also important. This Bank Nifty algo again, break even. You see all are Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is at a break even. Nifty is doing excellent. Again, other Nifty one which is here is doing kind of okay, not great. This is also doing good only. The capital used here deployed only 10 lakhs for the day. It's already making 8k, then that means 0.8%. I would still consider it decent only. So again, second half decay, if you can see, very fast decay will happen. Okay, our puts almost dried out. I feel there's no point of holding the puts. Again, I'll probably close it. Again, it's 1 rupee. Or we'll wait, no issues. Where will it go? Now probably it won't take the stop loss. It's 1 rupee now. Fresh breakout. This is what I was also expecting. Ki if the market, Nifty can give a breakout after this, and if this goes, this will be a very fast breakout, because it is happening near to 3 also, almost all-time high. This is a very we can try. Okay, calls are already dead. 22 option chain. We can try scalping gamma. Okay, we can try scalping gamma. We can try 750 ka call. Do you see there is a spike in 750 call? I'll keep a sell order ready. Again, this is very risky, okay? Very, very, very risky because it can shoot up like crazy. So this is not what you should really do, okay? So I entered this at 4.9. I'll keep a stop loss at 10, okay? Double stop loss. Again, this will be very crazy. It will go up very fast. 10, 50. 22.7. Okay, you should not try this at home. What I am doing currently. You should try this at home. This is fine. But other things don't try. I just do it for fun. Again, it's all started with doing it for fun and taking some nonsense trades. But once you keep on doing it, you learn also something. Okay, this is the point how gamma spikes. The whole gamma concept, I can actually visualize it just by this activity. So you should try a lot of things. Try with 1 lot, 2 lot, do all kinds of things you want. First of all, try to notice a concept or something which is happening again and again, recurring thing. Again, then try to, try out with 1 lot. You'll discover some theories also you can make. Not theories, but yeah, some strategies also can be built during the whole process. So I have a strategy also for gamma scalping that Algo also does, gamma scalping. So whenever these kind of opportunity comes, it just scalps 5 points, 10 points, it'll exit. Some trend riding is also there. A lot of strategies are there, but this is all I learned by, doing it this way. The thing which I'm doing right now. Puts are dead, 2 rupees. Let's see. Again, let me tell you, this call can shoot up very quick. So just for fun volatility, not a real trade, okay? These are all gamma jumps. For no reason it will be shooting up like crazy. It will calm down also very fast. Not stay here. Again, if the market is holding the highs, definitely, see, it is not a proper retracement also market is giving. It is holding the intraday high. One retracement, something like same as the put. One green candle, the puts will decay. One retracement, the calls will decay after the breakout. Time is 2:55, okay? I'll have this also on one chart. So guys, gamma is cooling off slowly, if you can see. From 5 rupees to 4. There is theta also, but there was an extra premium or extra juice which was due to gamma, that is also cooling down at this point of time. In the gamma wala trade, I will not take a second entry because again that is not, I just did it to scalp some 1 or 2 points. It was not a major trade. 3 to 5 more minutes. Today is Wednesday, right? Wednesday, there is a possibility of something called a 3 p.m. move. Wednesdays, Fridays, Tuesdays. Generally, you can see some abrupt movement in the premium. So, it may be a day at 3 p.m. exactly dot 3 p.m. We may see some action, crazy action. No reason as such, just observation. So there can be a blast, gamma blast again on one side. It is quite possible. I think calls can blast, market can give an upside blast, because you see the calls, the behavior, the nature, they are not willing to fall fastly. Look at the puts, they were decaying normally. This is the normal decay which we are seeing all the time. If something which is not willing to go down, obviously will probably go up. And one of the party is going down, one of the party is still standing.
What's your view?
Upside I have shorted the whole option chain. See this? What is the view? So these are the two MIS positions I took. Call I have shorted for gamma scalping. I shorted here somewhere 4. So let's see, now calls are kind of doing fine, and puts though it's done. So yeah, 30 more seconds we can have some crazy movements. See, stop losses are there on points, so I'm not bothered much. But let's see, 8 more seconds, okay? 3 more seconds. Okay, it is. Yeah, do you see a gamma spike here? For no reason. Market did not go anywhere. But do you see this premium spiked from 1.4 to 2.3? This is gamma. So if you do delta calculation, you won't get this answer, right? But there are some things which are there already. Calls also didn't do anything much. Maximum till 3.1 or 3.2 we can wait and see if there is a movement or not. Again, the calls I have shorted, I can get a stop loss on that. Do you see, for no reason it is spiking on the upper side again? Gamma. Okay, calls may shoot. See. Did you see that?
Yes.
Again, I think 10 was my stop loss. It made a high of 8. Okay, so stop loss is still there. So all these things, if you have a strong heart, you can scalp. If you don't have, kindly leave the market. So again, see, market is still there, but it is not at the highs of the candle. So again, that was just one quick move and it has paused. Again, stop loss is at 10 or something, so it is protected, or at least it survived. Good breakout. Puts I'm exiting, guys. Okay, there's no reason to hold the puts now. It is almost zero. This itself we can close. This is a possibility. This can take the stop loss. So guys, puts I'm exiting. I find no reason to hold a 35 paisa. Stop loss taken out on the call. Puts also I exited manually. Now there are a few things which you will miss also. I have exited the puts manually, but I did not cancel the stop loss order for puts. Right. So these are the things, small things which we still miss also. But all these have to be taken care of. Okay. Yeah, so we'll end the live stream now.